Have you noticed students shutting down quickly, avoiding tasks, or whispering negative self-talk when something gets way too hard for them? You're not imagining it, and you're not alone. In today's video, we're unpacking why resilience is so important for students and why so many children seem to be struggling with it right now. Okay, so let's get started with what resilience actually is. Resilience is the ability to recover from setbacks, navigate stress, and adapt to change with growing confidence. It's not about being tough or ignoring emotions. It's the skill of feeling hard feelings and moving through them without shutting down. And in classrooms, this skill shows up everywhere. In perseverance, in risk-taking, like maybe I'm going to make a mistake, in problem solving, and emotional regulation. Okay, so why does it matter more than ever? Because resilient students handle frustration more calmly, okay? And we're noticing a lack of these skills in our students. Resilient students connect more positively with their peers. They persist when learning gets uncomfortable. They can settle into those feelings and work through them. They trust themselves enough to try again, and they develop healthier coping strategies. But today's students are facing bigger emotional loads, higher anxiety, more academic pressure, less unstructured play, unfortunately, and gaps in emotional functioning. That combination creates fragile confidence, and students respond by freezing, refusing, or just giving up. Okay? Now, resilience is not innate. It's not something we're just born with. It is grown, it's nurtured, it's developed. So here's the good news. Resilience, as I said, is learned, and it develops through safe relationships, co-regulation with adults, parents, yes, but also teachers like you. Healthy modeling of mistakes, again, from teachers like us, emotional language, predictable routines. Students aren't good at resilience or bad at resilience. They simply need coaching and connection, not correction. They need some of that too. But for this, they need connection. Hi, I'm Marian from Engaging Curiosity, and I help new teachers build calm, structured classrooms that support students emotionally and academically. So now that we know what resilience is and why it matters, let's talk about something equally important. What does it actually look like in the classroom, and how to recognize when a child is developing it more slowly? Okay, so now that I've got you interested, that's exactly what we're going to cover in my next video. You're going to find the link in the first comment. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope to see you there. Bye for now.